Hi, I'm Daniel Hagedorn, and this is my wife, Vicki, and together we created PK4L, or that's the shorthand, Preparing Kids for Life. And what Preparing Kids for Life is all about, it's about helping equip parents with the mindset, with the map, to help their kids become the best version of themselves. And we are so passionate about this because we really believe that the family is under assault. The family is attacked from every turn. Parents are attacked from every turn.
Yeah.
There is such a force that comes against parents. It's an obstacle for parents. And we just want to come alongside them and lift them up and help them experience the amazing journey that parenting was meant to be.
Yeah. And it has been an honor and a privilege to work side by side.
Yeah.
And to create a safe place for people, for parents. And people will say sometimes, oh, you guys work with kids. I'm like, really? We work with parents.
Yeah, actually.
And I have a background in grief recovery. I help people through grief and loss. And Dan has a background in education where he's been working with teens for years. And together we've combined to create something that is our foundational thing, which is called building an emotionally safe home. And we really feel that having a place where people can process emotions in a safe way, it's not something that's natural. It's not something that we are taught. And it's something that's so important. And really it's underlying all kinds of addictions, all kinds of self-sabotaging behaviors. And really when you begin to grasp the how important this is and the tools that we have that help you really see that it's not as hard as you think. And what we're so excited about is that we have a free event coming up here in Austin. It's a 2-hour workshop, and we're going to present it.
We'd love to see you there.
Yeah, and we're going to present it for free. And we have all kinds of great stuff. If you want to sign up, if you want to hold your spot, click the link below. You will you'll have something delivered right into your inbox. We have this little guide that helps you with the do's and don'ts of how to talk and how to change the way that you communicate with your kids and your spouse right away, right at home. So check it out. We hope that you join us because these skills, these tools will fundamentally change the way you communicate, the way you connect, and the way that you build an intimate home for your family. So we hope to see you there.
We'll see you there.